Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is October the 27th and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. This Super Scalper has two excellent scalping indicators. The first one is the Super Scalper, that's this moving average. It changes from yellow to blue, and of course I have on the system the super signal indicator. That's the one with the blue and red arrows. Now both indicators will give an audio sound and a pop-up box alerting you to a potential buy or sell trade. This one is part of the scalping and the other ones are part of the arrows. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer here looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Now once I make a decision according to my daily trade plan and or how the charts look, I will manually put in this white arrow suggesting it's either going to go down or up. Now here is my daily trade plan, EA. It's running in real time. As you can see, we have some buy trades, some sell trades, and some of them are running flat, not enough strength. So you got to take that into consideration. And this is just another tool for your toolbox. And like tools, you have to learn how to use them if you want to become a successful trader. If you have any questions or if you want to buy, well, all you got to do is Skype me. And there is a link right below this video which will allow you to do a Skype connection with me. Now let's take a look at some of these trades I've taken. Did some Forex, and of course I did the futures and the indexes. First one I did here was the Dow Jones. The Dow pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 38. Took the trade here knowing that it could do a cycle. That didn't bother me. It's just a waiting game until it comes back in the direction of the daily trade plan. The trade did qualify for a great way to trade. When I took the trade, Scalper said to sell. Everything was looking good. You had a sell signal back here. So I took the trade, and let's see, if I was still in the trade I'd be up 100 ticks, but I was happy with the 38. As soon as I can get, there it is right there, 38 ticks, and that paid out $190. Moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Super Scalper said to buy. So let's see where I got in at. Took the trade here. Super Signal said to buy with this blue arrow. Took the trade here and I closed it out here, just being happy. Looks like with about 30 pips. And those pips paid out $223. Keep in mind, there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading. You're going to need a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And don't forget, you're going to need some kind of a daily trade plan. Now you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Please note that Gmail does not accept bulk emails. I have well over 500 people on my email list, and I've been told by many traders that they're not getting my emails. I believe it's got something to do with the security settings. So if you want to get my emails, which are 2 each week with trading tips, you'll have to give me a different email other than Gmail. So let's see now. We can move right along here to the next trade. Pound Swiss. Let's see where I got in at. This one I bought it. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Buy arrow here. I was waiting for a pullback. Could have waited a little bit more. But when you're doing a few trades, I'm not going to worry about small pullbacks like that. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy with about 22 pips. Those pips paid out $255. Moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Crude oil pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, this should be 101. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I sold this one. Scalper said to sell. Super Signal said to sell. Arrow from the daily trade plan said to sell. So that's exactly what I did. Sold it here and I closed out the trade. It's supposed to be 101. There it is right there. 101 ticks paying out $1,010. Let's move on to the last trade, which is Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 138 ticks. So let's see where I got in at. Drag and drop this up. Sell from the daily trade plan. Sell from the super signal indicator. So I took the trade at this cursor. It's a little bit hard to see. It's right beside the yellow line here, moving average. I got in here. Finally, let's see what time that was. That was 9:30, the opening bell. So I knew, it's just a waiting game. I knew before the opening bell that it was going to drop. It doesn't give these kind of predictions 100% of the time, but it's a very high percentage of the time, which makes trading much, much easier. So I got in at this cursor and I closed it out here. What did I say? 138. Pretty close. There it is right there, 138 ticks, and that paid out $1,380. So another great day of trading using my super scalper. I knew it was going to be over 200 today. Just looking at the money here. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and the grand total came out to 329. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,058. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my super scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions or if you want to buy, simple, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Now if you look right below this video, you'll get that information plus a lot of other information. Now you will see 4 different packages down there. I do charge $250 for each package. I do have a special limited time offer going. I actually have more than one offer, and if you want to get a 50% discount, well, just send me an email or contact me and I can let you know, as I do have 4 different packages up to 50% discount. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.